The Mexican orange, also known as Choisya Ternata, is a beautiful shrub native to Mexico. It's popular for its glossy evergreen foliage and fragrant white flowers. Here are some guidelines on how to grow and care for a Mexican orange plant. Planting. Choose a location that receives full to partial sun. Mexican orange plants prefer bright, indirect light. Ensure the soil is well draining and fertile. If the soil in your garden is heavy clay, mix in some organic matter like compost to improve drainage. Dig a hole twice as wide and deep as the plant's root ball. Place the plant in the hole and backfill with soil, firming it gently around the roots. Water thoroughly after planting to help settle the soil. Watering. Mexican orange plants have average water needs. Water deeply and regularly, especially during dry. Allow the top few inches of soil to dry out between waterings to prevent overwatering, which can lead to root rot. Reduce watering in winter, as the plant requires less moisture during its dormant period. Fertilization. Feed your Mexican orange plant with a balanced, slow-release fertilizer in early spring, just as new growth begins. Follow the instructions on the fertilizer packaging to determine the appropriate amount to use based on the size of the plant. Avoid over-fertilizing, as it can cause excessive foliage growth at the expense of flowers. Pruning. Prune your Mexican orange plant in late spring or immediately after flowering. This will help maintain its shape and promote bushier growth. Remove any dead, damaged, or diseased branches. You can also selectively prune for size control or to shape the plant. Avoid heavy pruning, as it can reduce flowering for the following year. Mulching and protection. Apply a layer of organic mulch around the base of the plant to conserve moisture, suppress weed growth, and regulate soil temperature. Mexican orange plants are generally hardy, but young plants may benefit from winter protection, especially in colder regions. Use a frost cloth or straw to cover the plant during freezing temperatures. By following these care guidelines, you can enjoy a healthy and thriving Mexican orange plant in your garden. Remember to adapt the care routine based on your specific climate and local conditions.